to welcome our Secretary and Mother Superior, Reverend Sister Dr. B.J. Queensley Jayanti, who have constantly extended their support in all our academic venture. Welcome you, Sister. It's a great honor for me to introduce and welcome our chief guest, Mr. V.K.S.M. Nagarajan, CEO of Quantum Virtue Solutions, 360 Tesla, and Zero Zone, who is very dedicated, enthusiastic, and goal-driven educator with 6 years progressive experience in Arts and Science College and high school institutions. SAR has developed 42 websites for various companies, and also he serves as a e-content developer and running individual YouTube channel for providing coaching to the NET, SET, TRB and TNPSC aspirants. On behalf of our management and the Department of Commerce with Computer Application, we welcome you, sir. It gives immensely pleasure to welcome Reverend Sister Dr. S. Shanta Mary Joshita, Head of the Department of Computer Science, who is always help us in organizing this webinar in a successful way. Welcome you, Sister. Next, I would like to welcome Mrs. M. Purnima, Organizing Secretary, and all the staff members who is very helpful in organizing this webinar. It's my great pleasure to welcome all the participants for being that part of this webinar. Once again, I welcome you all. Now I invite our principal sister, Reverend Sister Dr. S. Jesrani, to give the inaugural address. Welcome you, Sister.
Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, Sister.
Good morning. Education is not filling a pot, but lightening a fire. Respected resource person of the webinar, Mr. VSKM Nagarajan, CEO of Quantum Virtue Solutions, Podi Nayakanur, Mrs. C. Kalaivani, convener of this webinar, Mrs. Purnima, organizing secretary of this webinar, other faculty members of the Department of Commerce CA, dear participants of this webinar, a very pleasant morning to every one of you, and I extend a warm welcome to you all to this webinar. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruits are sweet. Education is the one of the most powerful things in life. It allows us to find the meaning behind everything. Education opens up the mind, expands it, and allows us to improve our life in so many ways. A Chinese proverb says, if you are planning for a year, sow rice. If you are planning for a decade, plant trees. If you are planning for a lifetime, educate people. Education gives an understanding of the world around us and offers us the opportunity to use that knowledge wisely. Teaching is the profession that creates all other professions. A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love for learning. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of the individual. If the people remember me as a good teacher, that will be the biggest honor for me. Technology will never replace great teachers, but technology in the hands of great teachers will be transformation. Teachers who are skilled at communication, classroom management, and appropriate discipline techniques create a positive learning environment. In the new year of learning, technology plays a fundamental role in the process of teaching. Effective technology integration changes classroom dynamics, encouraging student-centered project-based learning. Digital tools in the classroom can create a more interesting and interactive environment for the learners. Dear participants, let us listen to the lecture of the resource person and learn what are digital tools, how to use them for our teaching and learning process to become effective teachers and students. At this juncture, I congratulate the conveners for selecting a relevant and recent topic for the webinar as digital tools for effective teaching, and for other strenuous efforts in planning and conducting this webinar in a successful manner. Thank you. May God bless you. Stay home and stay safe. Stay home and stay safe. Enjoy the day. Thank you very much, dears.
Thank you, sister, for your valuable message. Now I invite our Secretary and Mother Superior, Reverend Sister Dr. B.J. Queensley Jayanti, to give the felicitation. Welcome you, sister.
Hello, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sister. It's audible,
Okay.
sister.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Very good forenoon to all. I welcome all the participants who are eagerly waiting to participate in this webinar. It is my bounden duty to welcome our resource person, VSKM Nagarajan, CEO of Quantum Virtue Solution, Board in Ayakunur, for accepting our invitation and willing to share his expertise with us. I congratulate Mrs. Kalai, convener of this webinar, and Mrs. Purnima, organizing secretary of this webinar, for organizing this webinar to rejuvenate the teaching faculties. Yes, the teaching faculty should know how to develop and how to apply the digital tools in our classrooms. So here, the teachers should be efficient. Then only their teaching will be effective. 20 years back, we used only talk and chalk methods. At that time, students studied well and performed well. Those students were not influenced much by the media. In the home also, our grandparents used to sing a lullaby to calm our children. Now it is not possible. So nowadays they are using a TV and the mobile phones and the smartphones to calm their children. The same principle is applied in teaching also. If you use only chalk and talk method, our students will be physically present in the class and they will be mentally away from the class and they will be in their own world. So we need to use digital tools to make our students more alert and attentive in the classrooms. So the digital tools, for using the digital tools, we should use our creativity, imagination and hard work. Many digital tools are available in the market. So in the beginning, we used chalk and talk method, and this method was replaced by OHP, and then OHP method was replaced by PowerPoint. Now we are using Smart Class and we are preparing e-contents. So for preparing e-contents, we should have the thorough knowledge about the particular subject and we should use our imagination, creativity effectively. Then only these digital tools will be more useful and more attractive and students will be more involved in the class. So I hope God has given wisdom, knowledge and creativity and imagination for our welfare and for the welfare of the society. So let us use all those gifts that are given by God for the welfare and for the betterment of our students. I hope our resource person will enlighten you on this area and you are able to prepare effective teaching tools and make your class more effective and make the students more alive and vibrant. May God bless you and empower you. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sister, for your encouraging words. Instruction to the participants. Dear participants, kindly post your questions to the resource person only at the end of the session through the chat box. The feedback form will be posted in the chat box before the end of the session. Filling up the feedback form is mandatory for getting e-certificate. Now, I hand over this session to our resource person.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Welcome you, sir.
Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining us for today's webinar.
My name is Nagarajan Mudragalan and I am the CEO at Quantum Multi Solution and 369 is the leading provider of educational and software services. Today we are presenting digital learning tools. If you have any question during the presentation, please type them into the question box in your control panel. I will bring them up during the presentation and we will also have time for question and answer. Nowadays, computer science is on executing challenging and dynamic systems. Computers form an integral part of every aspect of society and modern life. As a student, in that you will be exposed to high quality inspirational teaching and learning. The staff passionate about developing and delivering teaching. Stay at the development of innovative teaching, learning, and assessment methods. Our company, we offer teaching informed by research and you will be provided with opportunity
Sir,
to
your
experience.
voice is not clear, sir. Sir,
Hello?
excuse me, sir.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Sir. Sir, your voice is not clear, sir. It's not audible, sir.
No? It's audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Our company, we offer teaching informed by research and you will be provided with the opportunity to experience research learning through your involvement and individual or collaborative work in wide range of computer science area, data science and data analytics. Importance of digital learning. Facility effective collaborations among academic and researchers. Academic and research collaboration is a very valuable tool that not only accelerates the progress but also enhances the quality of the work. Academic collaboration is beneficial to the faculty in adding new teaching tools and to the students and increasing the breadth of their knowledge and learning different approach to solving the problem. Allows easy sharing of resources. The sharing resources, two types is commonly used. One type is a public
Sir, your
folder
voice is breaking, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Ma'am?
Sorry for the
Hello?
interruption, sir.
Hello?
Your voice is
Sorry.
breaking, sir.
Wait, ma'am, wait. Hello? Okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
It's okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Capability of creation of e-resources. E-resources, the information type of e-resources divided major two types. First, online e-resources and the other electronic resources. The electronic resources are the physical forms. Online e-resources, e-journals, e-books, online database, websites, number of data science, number of big data analytical resources. The physical resources are the CD-ROM, hard drives, HDD, hard disk drives. It's commonly used most of the peoples. It's very important of the concept of online education. Delivering the educational material to the internet. Online education simply means acquiring the knowledge through the use of instructions provided by the internet. More specifically, the education is acknowledgement to be pedagogically rather than self-selected. The online class definition has changed over several years and in terms of format, the online learning definition can take many forms. Some online educational programs are conducted exclusively through assigned lessons and assessment administrative online. Others take from remote lecture where students join the class, view the cameras and the laptops and the instructor, teacher or lecturer from his own computer. Other courses are a combination of the two recurring students to fair amount of independent researchers. Video lectures may be pre-recorded, allowing students the opportunity to assess the course and their own time, which can be helpful for students who have demanding work schedule or family obligations that could prevent them the course in person at the same time every week. It's known as a perfect plan for the online learning. And e-education and e-learning is different system of education that similarly uses technology to enrich and facilitate the learning process. E-learning is a possible for the bulk of instructions students receive take place inside the classroom. But generally speaking, assessment or complete the enhanced with the use of technological tools, the internet. While many people in the field education had long believed that the human element was critical for successful instructions, it has been proven that e-learning effective. The, although online course definitions various commandless e-educational generally refer to the means gathering knowledge or taking on assessment rather than kind of coursework that leads to degree of certifications. The example of Swam, Coursera, Udemy, number of now online institutions and universities approval. Corporations favor e-learning as a means of getting employed up to speed on new system, software, or management tools. E-learning means that employees are able to get the training they need when it is convenient for them, eliminates the requirement they all be in the same place at the same time. It's very, very important one. It's a futurable one. Same place at the same time to be receive the necessary training. This is especially useful for the company where employees are students, faculty members, very across the time zones or continent, getting the employee together is the next to impossible. Today, e-education includes interactive tools that rely on mobile devices and Wi-Fi networks that are easily accessible, can support students or employees, whatever they may be, as technology continues to develop and it is internet access becomes a more standard part of daily life for virtual non-cities. It is inevitable that the reach and scope of e-learning will develop as well. The benefits of the online studies, time flexibility, opportunity to learn from experts, learning in your comfort zone, enhanced interactions, cost effective, available for everywhere. For now, the mostly educational institution and university use Google tools. The Google educational tools for the Google Classroom, Google Docs, Google Blackboard, and Google Sites. Now, just intro for the Google Classroom. The Google describes the Google Classroom as a mission control for our classroom. At least make the easiest way to think about it. Simply put, a platform that ties together Google G Suite tools for teacher and student. It also acts as digital organization where teachers can keep class material and share them with students. It's all paperless work. It's very, very important. Very paperless work. You can pick and choose the feature you want to incorporate. This flexibility. Google tools completely the organization and institutions completely free. It's very, very important. The technically, the Google Classroom, not for the learning management system, student information system, and course management system. Google announced that school will soon be able to see the tool's new branding feature and extending student of the function for more like on LMS, learning management system. Another very important tool for the Google Doc. Google Doc is a place to productive. Google Doc and Google Slate pages. Google Doc similar to the MS Office. Google Slate PowerPoint spreadsheet similar to the Excel. Google Doc is a web-based productivity application that allows online and offline access without the need to download or install software on a particular machine. In any computer, internet access can tap into the power of Google Doc. As a Google-based application, Google Doc has several inherent benefits over traditional productivity software. One of the major benefits of Google Docs automatically save each document without the user having to promote, event changes or made as your result in this case of blackout. Automatically save in your Google Drive. Another major benefit of Google Docs is able to allow multiple users access to the same file from a particular anywhere because all of the revision are saved the code system. This is the public set. This is the public set. In addition, user are not banned with a trying to choose the most current file because the document most current version is automatically saved in Google Cloud. Google Docs is built for the collaborations. Google Sheets. Google Sheets similarly to the Excel. It's another cloud-based application. You easy to store, save, and maintain the remote server. That means that you can access online from anywhere, anytime. Plus Google Sheets. It's free, no expensive software. Assured Google Sheets always 100% free. Google Blacker. The Google Blacker just called it Google Blacker in online content management system. It's similar to the websites that facilitate the creation of informal online discussion sites, also called Black. User can add a free blogspot.com domain or buy a custom domain. There are two types of very important domains: primary domain and subdomain. The
Sir,
primary domain.
excuse me, sir.
Hello.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hear me?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
audible? Are you audible?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Primary domain and subdomain. Primary domain means for the blogspot.com. It's a primary domain of a Google Blogger. So subdomain for the your name. If example of the JA college.blogspot.com is the subdomain. User can also customize the blog with different template, flexible layout, and a handed off background image in order to use Blogger. User must create Google account. Hello, ma'am, are you audible?
Yes, sir. It's audible, sir. Yes, sir. Hello.
Hello, hello.
Sir, it's audible, sir.
Okay. Google Sites. The Google Sites is a website building platform from Google. If you are familiar with other website platform like WordPress, the most of advertisement you can see, Wix, you can think of a Google site or something that's somewhat similar, but perhaps more specialized for business and web-based teams. Google Sites mainly developed for the educational and the faculty. If you already use other Google products and find them particularly useful for business or organizations that work with that Google site, it may just be another one to add your digital toolbox. Here's what you need to know about it. The Google Sites comes in from the app that part of Google G Suite, which is a premium package for Google Apps. Its educational and organization is completely free. The Google Sites. Okay. If 18 educational Android apps for teachers is completely one type of corporate app. Some apps are free. Okay. Android reference apps, Android note taking apps, Android video apps, Android portfolio apps, Android mind mapping apps, Android personalizing apps. It's very important. Android mind mapping apps. Android mind mapping apps used for the e-drop applications. E-drops are mostly used to create an infographics images. Student easy to understanding of the visual and graphical representations is used for the mind mapping maps. Okay. Live classroom tools. Nowadays, variety of live classroom tools, but 14 tools mostly worldwide was used. First, Google Meet and Google Hangout, Cisco WebEx, Zoom, Meet, Skype, Microsoft Teams, Slack, Blue Button, whereby FaceTime, Signal, WhatsApp, Wire. Google Meet only for the educational and organizational. It's free. Otherwise, most of them paid versions. ICT tools. It's a very, very important tool for the CAMSIA. This session is completely type for the CAMSIA. First, how many tools used for the ICT tools? Every note, CAM scanner, Biot, Expertly, PR code, video notes, Power Mirror, all of them open source software. Mostly all of them open source software, open prospect software, the OPS. The completely open source software is also available for the internet. It's one of the most video editor, famous video editor. Screencast of Ometric, Cam Studio. Cam Studio, it's a screen recorder. Screen, Sketchfay, Cam, Open How Video Editor, Video Show, Audio City. Audio City only used for audio Unity. only used for the audio editing. Your audio is nice, remove the noises and depth increased. This type of used for the audio and powder. Camstia. Today's session is Camstia. Why take the today's session Camstia? Top industry that use Camstia. Looking at Camstia customer by industry. Computer software, higher education, hospital healthcare, educational management, information technology and services, financial services, government administration, computer hardware, insurance, retail. All of those areas, it's used for the Techsonic Camstia. It's a most relevant software for the e-content development. The e-content development, you are attend a lot of webinars, but it's special for the Camstia. And then top country that use the Techsonic Camstia. United States most used for the Camstia, and another one United Kingdom, Canada, India, Australia, France, Germany, Ireland, France, Spain, and Netherlands. And then used for Udemy, SIEM, NPTEL are also used in Camstia softwares. Okay. If now, variety of corporate and MNC company used and collaborated for the Camstia. It's the list of Apple, Microsoft, Intel, Amazon, Google, Ford, Netflix, Coca-Cola. All of them use Camstia for the software management tools teaching. Okay. Now we have started introduction for the Camstia. Okay. Hello, ma'am. Are you audible? Ma'am?
Yes, sir. Sir, it's audible.
Okay, ma'am. Just
Okay.
2 minutes. 2 minutes. This is the Techsonic Camstia software. Students and faculty members using Active any doors go into the chat box. Camstia Studio software used to create video tutorials and presentations. We can easily record software application, PowerPoint presentation, and web camera. Use the editor to edit your recording for professional quality and enhance for impressions. Share size and web pages. Your support, your software supported 4K video. You can imagine.
Sir,
Yeah. Hello, ma'am.
sir, voice is breaking, sir.
Again. Hello.
Your voice is breaking, sir, again.
No, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, sir. It's okay, sir.
Okay. Before you get started with Camstia, some few things needed. First, we create a project folder. Just I am create the project folder now. New folder. The rename of folder say already I am creating project folder. First, new project and new recording open project. Now I am clicking new project. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Are you here?
Yes, sir.
This is the editor feature. First one. In the interface of Camstia, first file, edit, modify, view, share. And the editor features provide access to commonly used project options such as a record screen, import media, and produce and share. And menu options, access program, and setting options. This is for the editing dimensions. You need change the dimensions box, select your dimensions, editing your video feed, and 25% and 25% that and fit. This is the canvas area. Another name is canvas area. This attached to canvas, you move to canvas. Again, ID attached to that canvas. Okay. The canvas, the preview the Windows canvas, the working area, you can arrange, rotate, resize, change the order, content with the timeline. This is for the timeline. This is just start the watch. First, import media. Right click, import media. The shortcut key is control. Okay. Import pre-recorded video. Okay. Now, the timeline organizes the layers. This is the layer. You need a number of layers, and the layers, the plus button on the layers, number of track. Okay. Crop tool. Use the crop tool. First, you use the crop tool. The green area. The green screen is very important of the e-learning developing the e-content. Why? The reason for and add a visual effect. Visual effects remove a color. Remove color for the green screen. Use for the you are using green screen. Remove color with the properties. It's later used for the tolerance and softness. The different uses for the tolerance and softness. Now I'm click the pen tool. I select the pen tool from image the different area. But now I'm selecting this area completely the new for the green screen. Now it's a re-editable for the any scenes begins and above and back sides. So now I'm editable. You can now hand tool increase. Okay. Tolerance is this slide bar is used for the black the outer layer clearly green screen. So remove use for tolerance. Okay. Softness and now you are ordered visual effects. Motion blur. I'm adding the layer interchange. I'm layer interchange today. And layer to the interchange today. Now, any
Sir,
type of background.
excuse me, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir. It's not clear.
Again,
It's not clear, sir. Yes, sir.
wait, ma'am. Are you audible? Hello. Hello, hello.
Sir?
Now, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Now, here or not?
It's audible, sir. But your voice is breaking, sir.
Are you here, ma'am? Audio?
Yes, sir.
Now, interchange that. Now, this is track. Track organization for the timeline. This is the timeline for the select and cut the which area we should selected and split and then cut. Okay. And now another background order. You can see. Now audio effects. Audio effects is the most useful for the if now your audio effects used another software audio city. Most of the use the audio city, but Camsia also provided the audio effects. You just track and the nice mover in timeline. Its effect order is this is the tray, one of the tray. Now selected up and down. Anything. Okay. audio compression is the same audio width, same length and height. Another very important, you need a lower threads. You need a lower threads. It's used mainly, mostly used after effects. But Camtasia also provided. Now I am order. Lower threads. Just select the area and properties window. Edit it. Yes, type your name and change the color. Change the color. Hello, ma'am. Are you here? Hello. Hello. Are you audible? Hello.
Hello, sir.
Are you audible?
Yes, sir.
This is the lower thread. Mostly used in After Effects. Okay. Now, just the lower threads ordered the number of tracks. So just copy and paste it. Just right click and copy the timeline, move and paste. Then another move and paste. Now select 3 lower threads and copy. Again paste. This is the completely video edit. First, this is the completely for the video edit and the timeline effects. Okay. You can cut the delete selection from the timeline. You can cut within a single clip or across multiple clips. Lock any tracks on the timeline that contain clips or elements you do not want to cut. The example of I am a lock the timeline now, but the timeline any tracks not cut and clips don't move to anyone. This is for the lock track. Okay, you are first then unlock track and rename the track. Lock and unlock track timeline edit apply to the clip and element, and every unlocked track locking and track prevent the editing of the clips and elements within the locked track. Click on the lock and right track. So click on the lock and right track. Split a clip. Split a clip. Clip to divided one clip into 2 clips. You can move and edit each clip separately. This is the split. Okay. Insert translation, title frames, graphics, continue. Use the split when you want to cut off the any of it. Now I am cut the video. Okay. Now you are watching. You have selected the background area, so also background cut. Now the previous one used for the cut to widget. But now I am track one lock. Then drop key lock. I have cut. Only for the cut Yemen track. new recording. Yeah, private with two recording options. Record the screen, record the format. Choose to record application to a computer desktop, website, and much more. Apps to record, capture, cursor movements, and menu selection, map app, and layer windows typing, and any
Sir,
other
please be
action.
louder, sir. Hello?
Hello.
Sir?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Choose to record application. Are you audible?
Yes, sir.
Your computer, desktop, website, and much more. Camstia record captures cursor movements, menu selections, pop-up, and layer window, typing, and any other action seen on the screen. In addition to screen recording, Camstia record allows you to draw the screen and effects while recording. Record PowerPoint. Record PowerPoint means the add-on feature. You just type the run box or PNT. Now open PowerPoint presentation. This is add-on features for the record. This recorded for Camstia, you have provided the add-on feature in PowerPoint presentation. Easy to record on PowerPoint presentations. Okay. The shortcut key here Control plus Shift plus F9 plus Shift plus F10 plus escape and stop the recording. Okay. So another recording for the screen recording. The screen recording, right? First one, the select area. Full screen is a default. The full screen area. Another one for the custom. You have click the custom button. Which area you are selected? That's only for the record. Okay. This is for the custom dimension. The dimension. Another very important for the tools. The tools option. Record to the two type of format. First one is the TREC. TREC means for the record TechSmith MSTR record. Another AVI. The TechSmith recorder is default recorder. Is used for the animations, but you record AVI not for animated the screen. So mostly recorded for TREC. Okay. Another important shortcuts. Your need for the recurrent task, your F10 is default shortcut, but you need the new shortcut key, update the shortcuts. Okay. Now, another option for now full screen. Now our screen is recorded. Okay. Any action and any mouse move recorded. I'm just simply program. Now I'm open Python IDE. Just equal to then now the recorded stop F10 stop. time will start. Unique mouse movements and cursor movements. Okay. Just into the Python program. Now and close the program and stop the recorder. This now recorded window. How to edit recorded window? This is screen record. I need more cursor movements, cursor effects. I added cursor highlights. Just I added cursor highlights. See? Hello, are you audible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is added cursor effect. Now the cursor effect change the color and opacity. Anything increase the opacity. Maximum use it in yellow. But now this scene is very important. This scene is very important. How to enlarge this scene? Just drag. Just drag and small. Okay. Just now students is view is very important. Now this windows, this is canvas windows, this is for the editing. Another canvas. But now actual size, scale to fit. Finish it. Okay. Now the layer of finish is moved for the right to left. The organization layer is moved to right to left. These windows are also the timeline ended. Please select the actual size and scale to fit. This is the end. Okay. Now, how to publish the video? Share, click the share button and local file. If before, which type of you are shared? YouTube paid version, you directly share the YouTube or Google Drive, remote, and screen cost button. MP4 or mobile phone device, anything. Okay. Custom product, the most things custom product. The dimensions is HD versions. 1920 into 2080 is the HD version. Now let's go this video. MP4 and smart players. Which location are you stored? JA and take it JA. Now exporting the complete project, entering the video. This is mostly
Sir?
used. You do me. Hello?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Okay,
It's
okay.
not audible.
This is mostly used with Vimy and you can view the Vimy and Swam NPTF. This is the main software for the educational resources. If now I am edit for the re-edit, how to re-edit, and I am add to the green screen video. Just green screen video. Just track the videos. Okay. This is track time. This is the track. This later used for the zoom and zoom out for the tracks. Now decrease the track for now again same read for first I grab the my video and first lock the track on. I just track my videos. Now you add the visual effects. Visual effects, remove color, just drag and drop for the video. Now select the pen and insert for the any green screen area, but mainly insert the this area, left area is mostly effective. The tolerance, just I am adjust the clear tolerance and softness tolerance, and the Q bar used mainly used in the background. Now I will play. This type of e-content is available for the anywhere. So the XML software mostly used for the various companies and e-content developer. Most YouTuber, educational YouTuber used for this software only. Thank you. Hello, ma'am.
Sir?
Hello, ma'am.
Sir? It's audible,
Are you
sir.
audible?
Yes, sir.
Now we are creating the same local file as custom production next MP4 and export. Check the file name. Already exported video size is just 1. Yes, no. New videos. 92. most YouTuber used for this Camstia software. I am also used the Camstia software. Create a lot of videos. Now, this is our YouTube channel. You just content developer and you create a YouTube channel. Just upload your video. Also create the Camstia created videos. Just upload. Select files, just drag and desktop, just upload it. Reprinter data, reprinter ready. This method is very useful to the model. This offers single machines in a rate for 21,000. Single person usage 21,000.
Sir, hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir. Again, it's not audible, sir. Kindly do something.
This software single person license is for 21,000 only. Most of the organizations, Oxford University, Stanford University, and then Udemy provide Udemy mostly use this software only that make the tutorials. Okay. Single license pricing 21,890 only. Install on 2 machines per user. Okay. Comfortable for the Windows and Mac. This is the content of our plan. Any doubts? Please guys. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Ma'am, any doubts about students?
Dear participants, kindly post your question in the chat box.
Similarly, the same for the OPS. Kindly select some more recording app to develop escape. OPS, the open software, open source software. OPS is. Okay. Any other question? The complete tutorial in my YouTube channel and also shared WhatsApp group.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir, for your informative session. Sir. Now I invite Mrs. M. Sundara Bharati, Assistant Professor of Commerce with Computer Applications, to propose the vote of thanks.
A warm good afternoon to all. First of all, let me thank our Lord Almighty for showering His choicest blessings for completing this national webinar, a successful one. I express my deep sense of gratitude to our principal, Reverend Sister Dr. S. Jesarani, for their constant support and encouragement in all our endeavors, and for motivating us to arrange such a fruitful webinar. Thank you, Sister. I would like to express our sincere thanks to our Secretary and Mother Superior, Reverend Sister Dr. P.J. Queensley Jayanti, for their generous support and guidance for making this webinar a resounding success. Thank you, Sister. I extend very heartfelt thanks to our resource person, Mr. V.S.K.M. Nagarajan, CEO of Quantum Virtue Solution, for gracing today's seminar and for making excellent presentation and making the seminar interesting and meaningful. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank our HOD and convener of this webinar, Mrs. C. Kalaivani, for organizing this webinar successfully. And also I wish to express my sincere thanks to Mrs. M. Purnima, organizing secretary of this webinar, for her technical assistance. I am happy to express vote of thanks to our staff members who have to participated and made this seminar a grand success. And I am happy to express my wholehearted thanks to Reverend Sister Dr. R. Shanta Mary Jusita, head of the Department of Computer Science, for providing technical support and helping us in all arrangement of this webinar. I heartily thank all of the participants for their active participation in this webinar. Once again, thank you all of you for making this webinar successful. Thank you.
Thank you all the participants for your active participation.